So now we have finished setting up Unigram on our PC and we have demoed Unigram on the PC. Let's see the Unigram on the phone and let's see what is different.
Warren, sent at 12:56.
This is the Telegram beta and I use Telegram beta, but if you are new to Telegram, I would recommend that you use the stable version of Telegram, although there are no bugs in the beta, but the stable is better. But I use the beta version of Telegram, and if you want to use the beta version, the links will be in the show notes. You'll have to sideload the APK. Unfortunately, you don't get it on the Play Store or anything. There is a channel called TG Files, that is Telegram TG space files. You have to join that channel and they'll give you beta updates whenever the app updates. And once you install a beta, whenever there's an app update, the beta will alert you that okay, there is an app update. Do you want to update? You click the update now, ask me in a day, or whatever option it gives you. So let's see.
OnePlus Nord series discussion. Warren, sent at 12:56
These
p.m.
are the groups
Search
and
button, out of
chat.
list.
This is the chat window. So we have the
Open navigation menu.
open
Button.
navigation on the top left.
Telegram beta.
This is the top of the window.
Open navigation menu.
Navigation.
Search button.
Search is to the right top.
Warren, sent at 12:56 p.m. Outgoing call 9 minutes 1 of 40. In list
So
40
this
items.
is Warren. We've just called Warren. So this is the call. We can see the call here. And let's send Warren a text message or a voice message and see how it's done.
OnePlus Nord series discussion group. Back. Warren, sent at 12:50.
So what happens is
Warren,
sometimes
voice message 2 seconds. Not Warren. Last seen.
sometimes when you are doing a double tap and suddenly somebody messages in a different group, your focus moves to that group. So you need to be a little careful of what you want to tap. So I'm going to hit on the voice message. I'm going to hold
Record voice message button.
and keep it held. Hello Warren, are you getting this message? Reply if you get a message.
Edit box message.
So you can either hold and send, that is hold to record, release to send, and your message will go out to whoever you send. You can also send a video message. Now to send a video message, what you would want to do is
record voice message button.
this record voice message, you have to double tap
record video message button.
and it switches to record video message, and if you hold this, you can then show your knucklehead to your friends and your family and your relatives and whoever you want to show it to so they can see you. Let's switch back to audio since I don't want to send
voice message
my knucklehead to anyone. So yes, that's the thing interesting here. So let's go into the navigation option now. Let's go back.
Telegram bait expanded track and tag.
And let's open the navigation.
Play button. Expanded play. Expanded track tab group. OnePlus play button. Warren group. OnePlus Nord series. Warren search. Open navigation. Open navigation.
So this is the navigation. It does not say anything.
Austin Pinto. Switch to night. Austin Pinto.
So
Plus
this is
9.
your name and your number.
Switch to night theme button.
You can switch to either night theme.
New group 3 of 11.
You can set a new group, and as I told you before that this is accessible, you can create the group, but when you want to do administrative roles, that part is not accessible. There are unlabeled checkboxes and all those things, so that is a problem.
Contacts 4 of 11.
These are your contacts on Telegram.
Calls 5 of 11.
You can see your calls here, call history.
People nearby 6 of 11.
People nearby. Now these are people using Telegram nearby. If you give Telegram GPS access, location access, it will show you people using Telegram nearby.
Save messages 7 of 11.
Save messages. You can save your messages here.
Settings 8 of 11.
This is the settings window. We'll come back here.
Invite friends 10 of 11.
Now invite friends. You can send your friends an invite link to Telegram via message, via WhatsApp, email, or whatever you want to do. Do that.
Telegram FAQ 11
This
of 11.
opens a website. This is the FAQ, so we don't want to go here. There is no interesting option here. Let's go into settings.
Setting.
I will
Save
quickly
messages 7 of 11. Settings 8 of 11.
browse through the settings.
Austin
I don't
Pinto.
want to make it
Go
very
back.
long.
Set profile photo 1.
So
4
here
options.
you can
Button.
set your
Set profile
profile
1 of
photo.
26. In list. Account. Heading 3 of.
And this is
Five.
the
Set
account
profile
heading.
photo. Account. Heading 3 of 26. Plus 91. Not. Username. At Austin Pinto 5 of
And
26.
that is the phone number, and you go down. That is your username.
Bio. Add a few words about yourself 6 of
You
26.
can add a few words about yourself in the profile description type of thing.
Settings. Heading 8 of 26.
Now here starts the settings main heading.
Notifications and sounds 9 of 26.
Here you can go and change a lot of things, like you can change your notification sounds, your vibration type. It's default, long, short, or you vibrate only when the phone is in silent mode. You can do that. Also, what you will see here is one thing I want to show you here. Let's see.
Notification. Calls. Channels. Groups. On. 4 exceptions. 3 of 33.
Now groups on 4 exceptions. Now these exceptions are the groups that you have muted, so you don't want to receive notifications from groups. Like I am in a group, I'm in multiple groups of OnePlus Nord and OnePlus general development, roaming, and all those things. So I receive a lot of messages from the groups, and I don't check them often, so I've muted them so that I don't get the notifications.
Back. Austin Pinto. Notifications and sounds. 9 of privacy and security. 10 of
So
26.
here is privacy and security. Now, one thing you want to turn on here, you go here and you get a checkbox. Let me just show you. So if you want to block somebody on Telegram, you can block that user from the privacy settings. It's the first option in the settings. Then you go down and you will get your phone number. Who can see your phone number? It's your contacts only.
Last seen in online. Nobody. 4 of 30.
Nobody can see your last seen in online.
Profile photos. My contacts. 5 of 30.
Okay.
Forwarded messages. Everybody. 6 of 30.
This is forwarded messages in the group. This everybody can see.
Calls. My contacts. 7 of 30.
My contacts.
Groups. My contacts. 8 of 30.
So my contacts can call me. They can add me to the group. They can add me to the channel.
Change who can add you to groups and channels. Security. Heading. 10 of 30.
Now here comes the most important thing that I'm telling you is security.
Passcode lock. 11 of 30.
This is the area where you can set a lock. So when Unigram opens, you can enter a password. When Telegram opens, you enter a password and then only it will open.
2-step verification. Off. 12 of 30.
Now this you would definitely want to enable. Now what this will do is when you are registering Telegram on a new device, you get an OTP like I just showed you when I set up Telegram on your PC. So you have to enter the OTP and then you have to enter a PIN that you generate that will authenticate that it's really you, because if your phone gets misplaced, then there'll be a problem. Then the person finds the phone and registers it on many devices. That will be a problem. So you can turn this on, and I highly recommend that you turn it on. And the remaining settings in this window are self-explanatory.
Austin Pinto.
If I go and show you that, we'll have to do a whole podcast on Telegram. And definitely, if you want a whole podcast on Telegram, message us. You can give us feedback and we will see what we can do. Now you can save your shipping info, payment info also here, and I would not recommend you to do that because that is
Notifications
confidential
and sounds. Not privacy and
information.
security. 10 of 26.
This is a social media app and there can be breaches and data leaks and things, so it's not recommended that you do that.
Data and storage. 11 of 26.
You can go here, see your storage used. You can see how Telegram downloads messages or how it downloads images, videos, and all those things. So when you're on Wi-Fi, you can tell it to download all the data. When you are on mobile network, you can restrict the data that you download so that you're not charged extra.
Chat settings. 12 of 26.
These are chat settings, these are themes and all you can put for chats. You can switch it to dark mode and all those things.
Folders. 13 of 26.
These are folders. You can save your chats into folders.
Devices. 14 of 26.
These will show you a list of devices. Let's go quickly here.
Devices. Out of go. List of Telegram Android 7.2. Anagram the 3rd of July. Scan QR code. 6 active sessions. Heading 5 of
So
20.
here you can see your active sessions.
Scan Anagram the 3rd of July 59:51. 12:44 p.m.
So that is the
Anagram
active
the 3rd of July
session.
59:51. 11:15 a.m. Vostro 3490. Windows 10. Unofficial app ID. 87,000.
So
Telegram
that
Android
is the
7.2.
whole
Anagram is
option that you will see when all you logged
Back.
into Telegram
Austin
and
Pinto.
from where you are logged in.
notifications and sound. Privacy and data and storage. Chat settings. 12 folders. Devices. Language. 15 of 26.
Here you can change your language, which is self-explanatory.
Help. Heading 17 of 26.
These are the help options that
Ask a
you
question.
can
18
go.
of 26. Telegram FAQ. Privacy policy. Debug. Heading. Send logs. 23 of
Now
26.
debug is extra. You can send the logs to Telegram developers and see if you have a problem and they ask you to send them the logs. You can send the logs and they can resolve your problem, and
Clear logs. 24 of
you can
26.
clear logs.
Telegram for Android B7.3.1.
This is the version, and that is it for the settings, and that is it for the demonstration of Telegram. Now I want to put a little point here that the beta version of Telegram updates every day almost. There has been a few days now since there has not been any update, but it updates every day. So if you get an update, you can install the update every day. And we will have links in the show notes for the channel from where you can get the beta APK. You can download it and install any version. Or if it's easy, let me see. If it's easy, I'm going to give you an APK for an older version of Telegram from my OneDrive, and you can install that. And then what will happen is it will ask you to update, and then you can update to the newest version of Telegram. So that is it. That is the demo from my side for Telegram on the phone and Telegram on the PC.
That was a great demonstration, Warren and Austin. Thank you for that.